Bring the volume bar back to your iPhone's lock screen in a few easy steps. If you're listening to music or a podcast and want to change the volume without unlocking your iPhone, https www.cnet.com/bestiphone. Then you probably press the buttons on the side of your phone. Those buttons can increase or decrease your volume by a set amount, but they could leave you choosing between a volume that is slightly too loud or a bit too quiet. Thankfully, you can bring the volume bar back to your device's lock screen, giving you more precise control over your iPhone's volume without unlocking your device. Apple removed the volume bar from your lock screen when the company released iOS 16 in 2022. But when the company released iOS 18.2, https www.cnet.com/services and software/iOS 18.3 is out, but don't miss these. iOS 18.2 features on your iPhone. In 2024, that update allowed you to return the volume bar to your iPhone's lock screen. If you like using the volume bar, you can do this now. Here's how to reintroduce the volume bar to your lock screen in a few easy steps. 1. Open Settings. 2. Tap Accessibility. 3. Tap Audio Visual under Hearing. 4. Tap the toggle next to Always Show Volume Control. Don't miss any of our unbiased tech content and lab-based reviews. Add CNET, https://www.google.com/preferences source question equals cnet.com header target equals blank equals to add CNET. Is this the address of https://cnet.com www.google.com preferences.source question equals cnet.com header target equals blank equals absolute equals have so all the data involving google.com/preferences.source question equals cnet.com. 22 link text %22 add 20 CNET %3m %3m %eth source question tap audio visual under hearing. Now the next time you're listening to music or a podcast at the gym or on the bus, you can change the volume by using the slider on your lock screen. For more iOS news, here's my review of iOS 26. https://cms framework/reroute/content/article 8bf52da 4fe2 8fe1 81760303f3. Begin this text. My review of iOS 26. I new look I'll be happy with for the next 12 years. 22 asset type %22 greater than article %22 UUID %22 8bf52 8fe1 817603f3 slug %22 and UUID %22 information product text you link that https link text f off bool then /cms.cnet.com/content article 8bf52 8fe1 817603f3 version US slug role content link edition US reroute content article 8bf. You can also check out our iOS 26 cheat sheet https://cms.com/hub/cms framework/reroute/content article /5c 422628 OF8 47E3 A8CD 79004 F692F82 hash link W. iOS 26.20 is live now. Here is your cheat sheet for the update. Hash asset type asset equals WF link type the asset for 2 hash txttps hash type equals asset type. Asset type at equals when CMS HTML. Framework at dash reroute content article slash your cheat sheet for the update. 22 article %22 %2 UI 22 25C 42268-05C 47E3 88CD 79004 F692F 82 %2 slug equals 22 iOS 26 is live now. %2 link text 2 iOS 2620 cheat sheet equals https equals https https equals https equals